Uh, hello, buddy, everybody. I think will be fine. I have some issues in my phone's BlackBerry Priv, and when here was update notification when I installed the updates, so it's getting now error blinking. It getting restarts and it's flashing light blue lights. I have plugged in connector and also I have downloaded the OS to the system and not detecting the systems, and also the press not going to pause boot menu and press the hold down key and power button and nothing happened, and hold the button from 1 second to 10 second 12 second 20 second 30 second 32 seconds, but it's nothing happened and not going to pause boot menu. When I plugged out the cable, so it's stopping the light look like this. When I plugged in, it's just flashing the lights. Look, here is a blue notification. It's happened after the updated. It's happened after updated the version, so after that it's happened to me, and I press the whole buttons volume key down off, nothing happened and not going to pause boot menu. I am not so nervous of these issues. I have bought it. I have bought it new one, uh, new fake BlackBerry. When I install the updates, so it's happened to me. It's made by Mexico, and also I have tried many OS. I have tried many OS to download it from many, and the model name is AAD027, and I request to all of you people who knows about this issue and will be very grateful to you people if it solve my issues, and if somebody have faced a problem like this and solved the issues, so kindly contact with me, and I upload it and also comment. I'm going to upload the video to YouTube, so I'm also pressing the volume hold power keys, just only power keys, and just nothing happened. Just look like this is look, nothing happens. It just getting off the light after that. I'm so nervous of these issues. No one is knows about the issues. If knows about these issues, kindly contact with me, and will be very thankful to you people. Look to these issues not going to, nothing happened, and also volume down key, nothing happened. So I'm requesting you to all people who knows about these issues, and I bought this new phone. I have bought it. When I updated the phone, just happened. It happened to me like this. So I am requesting you people, please solve my issues who knows, and will be very grateful to you people, and not also going to pass boot menu. Kindly do something for me, please. Thank you for watching videos. Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you people. Have a good day.